My name is Jim Irving. I'm a Bankruptcy and Restructuring Associate at DLA Piper, and my pro bono work focuses on juvenile justice issues. That's expunging juvenile criminal records so that a juvenile that might have made a past mistake is able to go out and get a job or pursue higher education or pursue opportunities. And I also represent juveniles in certain ongoing cases in the criminal justice system. I'm from Kentucky. I grew up in a single-parent family that wasn't particularly wealthy, but I had a great fortune to get some scholarships. I went to Williams College for undergrad and Vanderbilt University Law School. And something that was instilled in me is that the opportunities I've had very much create, I want to say, an obligation and the ability to give back and to do public service. That's one of the reasons that I joined DLA Piper. When I was looking for a law firm, I wanted one that had a commitment to pro bono services, and that's something I found here.
Jim is the pro bono lawyer that sets the example for all the other pro bono lawyers. He's really fantastic. He is, first of all, an excellent lawyer, and it's clear not only do I think he's an excellent lawyer, but the lawyers that he works with in his business practice have the highest regard for him.
He will always go the extra mile to provide good service. And I think that, to me, is truly the mark of a gifted advocate. Someone who is willing to try every avenue to exhaust all remedies in order to get the best outcome for your client. And I think he does that in every case.
There was a young woman, she was in high school, she was trying to pursue a nursing certificate. Well, the high school sent out a questionnaire and said, have you ever been arrested? And yes, she had been arrested for shoplifting. It was some years earlier. You know, she apologized, she recanted. It was very much a juvenile mistake.
But it was preventing her from taking a nursing licensure test.
Which obviously would impede her ability to graduate from high school on time.
And by successfully arguing that case and allowing that record to be expunged when she was 17, Jim enabled her to take this nursing licensure test so that way she could complete her community college course.
The young woman was able to take her final exam. She graduated from high school on time. I believe that she is pursuing a degree in nursing at a college in the area now.
It's really neat to see how far he's come, and I think that will translate so well into his billable practice. It's wonderful that he's able to go to his clients, both billable and non-billable now, and say, I have this experience, I can do this, and it's all because of my pro bono work. He
is a warrior every day for people who need help. And I think he's an unsung hero. He's someone who's not out there doing it for recognition, and he's someone who is a great lawyer who's using his talent and his free time to help other people, and that's truly remarkable.
It is cliched to say this about any kind of community service or pro bono, about how the act of doing it has given me more than I ever gave into it. But I think that's very true, and that's very typical when you talk to attorneys that do a great deal of pro bono work, that it does give them more than the hours they put into it. I mean, certainly the personal fulfillment, the teaching moments that my pro bono work has given me is probably much greater than the opportunities that I've been able to pass on to my clients.